guys, Steph here. Right, what we've got for you today is an absolutely gorgeous pen that I found on my recent travels. There we go, to the very front there. It does what it says on the tin. Dunhill. Underneath it's got a service or instruction booklet though. I'm not sure if this is actually the correct box because I've looked in here and it's got a number of models, but it doesn't relate anything to this particular model. But either way, it's got a lovely case that helps to protect this gorgeous pen. If we take the top off for you, there's the box in question. It's in this lovely padded sort of inner velvet to help, as I say, to protect the pen. So what we'll do, let's take the pen out. Let's pop the box to one side over here and let's bring on the pen in question. And there we have it. An absolutely gorgeous pen in this lovely colour. What we've got is a Dunhill AD 2000 series. This is one of the pens from the AD 2000 series of pens. Now they came in numerous different colours, I believe, some different kind of metals, etc., different trim. This one is in what we term as Blue Stardust. Now I don't know if it's actually apparent on the video, but believe me, in the hand it's absolutely beautiful. It comes in this blue, and as it says Blue Stardust, it has these sort of glittery, shimmery colour or design in the, I believe it might actually be a celluloid, but it's just this gorgeous shimmering, and yeah, it's got these little sort of glittery bits. As I say, I don't think the video is going to do the colour any justice, but just by looking at the colour itself there, you can see it's absolutely gorgeous. Comes in gold plated trim. It's got this gold plated band just below the cap here, and if I actually sort of turn it round for you there, you can see it says Alfred Dunhill around this particular band. Very briefly, for you people that don't know, I mean, to be honest with you, you know, it's not a pen that I know too much about, but Alfred Dunhill, they were specialist in sort of smoking accessories. Some of you people will know the cigarette lighters, the Dunhill cigarette lighters that are very much collectible. But yeah, they started off as I say, sort of smoking accessories, and then actually got into the pens. This particular series, I believe, is from the late 1990s. Let's again take you up to the clip there. You can see it's got this Alfred Dunhill logo to the bottom of the clip there, and then to the very top of the cap it's got this lovely designed sort of finial to the very top of the cap. Now a lovely little design, if you look at the clip there on this particular pen, is if we actually turn the very top of the finial, look at that, it's sort of open and closes the clip, so it can tighten it for you, or you can have it as it is there, which will leave it. So a lovely little touch, allows you to adjust the clip to the top there. Now underneath the clip it actually has Swiss made. Now I'm not sure if it's the clip itself or the whole pen itself, whether the pen was made in Switzerland. Now the size of it capped, it's a lovely long 150mm capped. Around the diameter just underneath the The band here is a lovely chunky, it's around about 14.5 millimeters in diameter, but as you can see the pen sort of tapers, it's got this sort of torpedo shape, and as I say, for me, for a modern pen, I find it very, very attractive. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen, sort of numerous different angles. As I say, for me personally, I don't think this video will do the pen any justice. Well, it'll do it a little bit of justice, but to see the pen in the hand, it's absolutely lovely. Now if we take you up to the, just to above the band that we showed, you can see it's got this brass thread. Above that it's got this black section, and then to the very top there we've got this very attractive and quite a large Dunhill nib. It reads Dunhill M, I assume for medium, 18K 750. So it's an 18 karat gold nib. Now I believe the nib itself may be a Namiki nib, or made by Namiki. Also I believe it may be a Pilot nib. Either way, because it's a luxury brand, it's a luxury nib and made by one of the major luxury pen makers. So it may have some sort of yeah, you know, like I say, it may be a Pilot nib, it may be Namiki. Either way, a gorgeous, gorgeous nib. Very comfortable to hold with a section here. Very comfortable indeed. Now if I take the barrel off for you, another very interesting thing about this pen, I feel, is this converter, a Dunhill converter. And the nice thing about this one, it's the first time I've seen one. Once again, I believe or have read that these converters were also installed in some of the Namiki pens. So again, it may be a Namiki converter with Dunhill written on it, well, as a to show the manufacturer being Dunhill, but well, not the manufacturer but the make. And the nice thing about this one is if we press the button here, there you go. It's got this sort of pump mechanism. It's got this, I would say this is just an ink agitator to the centre, helping the ink flow, but quite a large converter as well, so I would say it holds quite a bit of ink. Now let's pop the barrel back on. Now I'm not going to fill the cap because it's in beautiful condition. Whether it's been used or not, I do not know. It's lovely and clean. I've done a full inspection. Everything is beautifully and clean. But it would be interesting to see how this nib, this Dunhill or Namiki nib, actually writes. So what we'll do, we'll simply just do a quick dip test with the pen. So what we have is a Dunhill AD 2000 in Blue Stardust from, as we said, late 1990s, possibly Swiss made as well, so that says it all. But as expected from this lovely quality manufacturer, or a luxury manufacturer, writes nice and smoothly. a lovely nib, as you would expect. So there we have it. So what we'll do, we'll clean that after the video, and then, well, do I keep it? Do we find a new home for it? Well, I think unfortunately it's going to have to look for a new home. As much I actually like this particular pen, it's a beautiful colour. Either way, there we have it. The Dunhill AD 2000 in Blue Stardust. Gorgeous pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel as well, don't forget. Just down below, give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up if you will, please. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this beautiful pen. I'm just going to say bye bye for now.